All right, so what we want to do now is there's a few map options. We've already used ArcGIS map. We're going to use the normal Bing Power BI map later, but now I want to use a Mapbox visual. And if it's not already here, you can get it from the App Store. Import the App Store. Click on Mapbox, or search for that, and you can just add that visual. Now, you can get a message successfully added. Oh, it looks like I've got two versions. So I'll grab the latest version of Mapbox. I'll open that up. And obviously what we want for this map is a latitude and longitude, which we can find under the node. So if I look at the node, and if I take latitude to latitude, longitude to longitude, and we want to again count the accident number. Just do that as a color. And I don't want to count first, I want to count. So it is going to throw up an error message because you need an access token for Mapbox. So let's jump over to Mapbox and get an access token. So open up your browser and go to mapbox.com. Oops. And once you are there, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you can create an account. It will need some information. There is pricing, but for what we're doing in the training, there won't be a cost because you're not going to get enough hits on your map. But once you've signed up for Mapbox, you can log in. So I'm already logged in, and you can go to your account. Once you're in your account, you can see there are access tokens. If you don't have one, you can just click on create a token. And once you've created a token, this is what you need for your Mapbox map. So I'll just copy that. There's a little clipboard there, and we'll go back to Mapbox. So in Mapbox, in the paintbrush format, there is viz settings. And the first thing that is there is access token. So you just drop your access token in, and this will automatically update. So here are all my latitude and longitudes, and it's just a count, so every count is going to be the same color.